What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is 21st of March, 3:10 local timing. I'm gonna be analyzing Apple, not SPY today, because SPY is still in the selling zone. So I'm taking. I bought some puts here, anyways. So for Apple for tomorrow morning, and then I am taking support of the market. And on top of that, Apple is also in the selling zone. All right. So let's understand this. The structure looks bullish. There's no doubt about it, but all this price action is happening inside monthly supply zone. And let me show you RSI also. If you guys know how to trade RSI, RSI looks bullish as well. Okay, but these are all lagging indicators, and this is just for momentum I use, and I don't really care. So this looks bullish if you guys know what RSI is. Okay, now let's understand here. I am a demand and supply trader, but I try to add on all these indicators at the very end. Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. Look at this red bar here. So I don't know if it was selling or buying, but sellers attacked because this was a resistance if you look here. And sellers attacked, and look at the volume at the bottom. Too much volume, but no downside. So this is called absorption of buyers or sellers. Basically, absorptions were sellers were being absorbed, so it's absorption of sellers, and then price continued to go up. All right, but if this was a breakout, right, or whatever head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, right shoulder head, right, whatever you call it, no volume momentum here. Like that's how I read volume, and all this price action is happening inside monthly zone, so you cannot be aggressive. On top of that, SPY is also in selling zones, clear cut selling zones. So let's understand this level is very important. Let's understand this. So what happened here was, so price on 8 September 2022, it was at 152.61. Look on the right, and then it goes up and makes a high of 164. So roughly $12 move, right? So buyers were trying to be aggressive here, right? But what happened here was, price on 12 September closes here. Look here, price closes on 163.43. Guys, this is very important. All right, please pay close attention to it. So price goes up, and then the next day on 13 September, Thursday, it gaps down. All right, so this is a gap. If you guys want to know what gaps looks like, this is a gap. So what happened here overnight, I don't remember, but the thing is, who did this? These are called basically you can call this is not a pro gap. This is called as a novice gap. Basically, traders created it, but it's a gap. You need to understand this. What happened overnight here, I don't know, but it gapped down, and it not only gapped down. So whatever buying came from here, it destroyed that buying and gave us a closing under it. So this is not normal. Second time also price tried to go in, but boom, it was pushed down. So we need to understand what exactly happened here. This is not normal, because if you try to measure this wave, whatever selling came, it goes from 164 all the way down to 134. This is not normal. All right, something happened here, and then price is now trying to revisit this zone here. It's almost, visiting now. So this is what is happening. That's why I bought some puts here, and then market is also in the selling zone. Uh, Apple is in uptrend. RSI is bullish. Weekly zones are all, trends are up. Everything is up. But this price action, if you try to understand this, buying came in strongly, but then the buying was, killed, and sellers tried to gain momentum, and they did gain momentum, and that's what pushed the price down. That's how you trade against it. But the risk is always there. So plan B would be that, if I go on, let me turn on the drawings first. So if I go on smaller time frame, what price can do tomorrow or in the coming days is that it can go and go up to 162 and then go down. This is plan B. So SPY at the same time, if Apple goes to 162 and SPY goes to this level, this zone 404, you can short it again with a stop loss, of course. But these levels are good, all right. And I'm going to jump back onto Apple, and I'm going to go to daily here. So momentum is good, it looks nice, but it's Apple is still not tradable. All honestly, tradable on the short side, not on the long side. All right. So this was it, guys. I'm trying to understand what happened here. This was plan A. This wick is very important. All right. This wick here, I'm gonna make a box here. All right. This wick here is very, very important. And then plan B is that brown line. Let me zoom in more and talking about this zone. All right. I'm gonna push it up here. So this is what happened. This is kind of a gap which was created because price closed here and then gap down. So make sure you're trying to understand and grasp the logic here because I trade on logics. I don't just trade blindly. And why I'm shorting with such a momentum, in the stock is because of market. And Apple has weightage in SPY. So that's why I'm taking support of SPY and then shorting it. And I have my risk managed in it. I'm not going to give you a call here what to do, but the stop loss level would be definitely here, 164, because if price crashes through this zone, this whole box from here to here, it's all selling zone. So even if news is good or bad, I don't care. Market is there to support the move. So this was it. That's why I'm shorting Apple. Hopefully you understood the logic what I tried to explain. If you did, just give me a thumbs up here. And yeah, we'll like to make more videos and try to make you understand price action in a deeper way. This was it, guys. I'm gonna rush now. I have to go out. Take care. Have a wonderful trading day, and don't trade options if you don't know everything about options. If you know how to make strategies in selling proper strategies, then you're okay. If you don't know, that means options you need to learn more. So this was it, guys. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.